Okay, I went to recharge the batteries in one of my emergency radios, and this guy wouldn't take a charge. You can see that it is taking a charge now, and I should have made this video earlier. When I measured the voltage of all these three were taking a charge. This one was not. I took my fluke meter and I set it to DC volts. And this battery, this one, and this one were all somewhere around 1.25 volts or 1.3 volts. But when I measured this guy, it was about 0.02 volts. It was just barely tripping the meter. So these are Energizer rechargeable D cells. And what I did was I cheated. And you can decide for yourself whether cheating's safe or not. I don't think it's a problem this time. It could be a problem other times. So what I did was I took two batteries, one of them that was good and the one that was bad, and I removed them from the charging circuit, and I connected the positive stems with this alligator clip right here. And then I took another alligator clip lead and I held it onto the negatives, and I just let it set for about 10 seconds. When I went back to the voltmeter, this guy right here was charged at about 1 volt. It's like it reset the low voltage cutoff circuit. Again, it's for you to decide whether that's safe. Something about this battery failed. I cheated it. One thing I would be worried about is heat. There doesn't seem to be any excessive heat. In fact, it feels the same temperature as all the rest of them do. One thing that kind of concerns me is if you look here, my charger says I'm on channel 1 and channel 4. That's channel 1, that's channel 4. And this battery is charging very fast. This guy's only up to 8%. And let's look at channel 2 and 3. 16% and 11%. So the bad battery that I had to Goose is charging way faster than the other one. So I'm definitely going to keep my eye on this thing. I am not going to leave the house while it's on the charger. I really don't think there's anything unsafe. There's not going to be a fire or anything like that. But that is how you can cheat a rechargeable cell. You can reset the low voltage cutoff circuit. I don't know what Energizer calls that particular circuit or that little board that's inside the battery, but I call it a low voltage cutoff. And anyway, it's charging. I fixed it, kind of.